I think when neighbors hear this, they want to get upset because it sounds like a dirt bike. It's 150cc two-stroke. But then they look at it, it's like an old vintage Vespa. So they don't know either to wave at you or give you the finger. Alright, so we're gonna head to phase 2. Did a little work at the amenity center. Internet actually wasn't that good at the end. I'll figure that out next time. Let's go do this. Gotta love 1960s. Oh, it's so mechanical. This is for the fuel one, the choke. Alright, so we're entering phase 2. There's a fast way of doing it, that's for sure. If you do this with a car, you're a real asshole, but with this, it's not that bad. So this is actually a great street. We had clients that could have bought one of these units here at Treviso and Marsala. They missed the opportunity, to be honest. We could have got these under 500,000. The views are great back there too. So right now, this is all the Lennar section. Polte's here now. They got one street, but majority of this is definitely Lennar. These are Polte homes. See, Aragon is a Polte trade. So let's go down this road here. This is now what's available for Lennar. Did I mention how much fun this is to drive? So this is Lennar now, Barrelwood Loop. The only thing I didn't like about this street is these rear yards. They're going to be backed on. There's like a small area between it. It's like a little bit of like a landscape. But the houses are backed onto each other. Alright, so just leaving this street as all in our houses. Let's keep it going. We're gonna do the full loop here. This is what I do when I cycle. You kind of see like all these views are not really deep. That's why we always say phase 1's going to be the best. If you can get a resale currently now, especially because Lennar's not building anymore. Okay, so this is a dead end here. You kind of see they're already starting to build out different sections of phase 2. These are going to be nice views back here because they're going to be unobstructed. So this whole street and that street there is going to have this little very subtropic looking forest in the backyard, which is nice. To be honest, I'm going to prefer to do the landscape. This is going to be a southwest exposure here, and then this side, it's a lake. It's more closer, right? You can kind of see the house in the back, but it will be a lake view. Just remember, like, our lakes are down probably 2 to 3 feet right now. It's been dry season. And I like that they're watering the crap out of our grass right now, which is nice. Because last year we had a heavy drought and no water, which made the grass suffer tremendously. So sorry, this is the loop I take when I cycle. This is Hinckley. These are other lake views here. Again, they're not very deep lake views. And I can't say mine is either on Killington. It's not like a really great deep lake view, but the houses are pretty far away. Let's keep it going. I mean, look how much house are getting built here. And to be honest, they don't have a lot of inventory built up, which is good. They're selling a lot still. This is a very hot community. So you kind of see there's another section of phase 2. They're starting, obviously they're heavy on doing all the utilities, getting all the streets, drains and services down. This is Villa Alley here. There's gonna be 150 odd villas here. Villas, remember, are basically semi-detaches. I'm not gonna say duplexes because a duplex would normally be a rental. So a semi-detached property, a property that is attached by the wall. This is going to be that area here. These are good buys now. You can pick them up for around $350. And you know what, to be honest, you can negotiate the crap out of this if you really want to. Beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. We're probably in the high 80s, but like a nice cool breeze. Doing 60 kilometers an hour now, which is around 40. Yeah, so these are all the villas. Great units. If you're here for secondary property ownership, this is probably the best way to go because unless you want a pool, clearly. I think when neighbors hear this, they want to get upset because it sounds like a dirt bike. It's 150cc two-stroke. But then they look at it and it's like an old vintage Vespa. So they don't know either to wave at you or give you the finger. Which makes it more fun. So this is Olte Street here. So this is Gentry. That's going to be Yorkshire, clearly. The new elevation, actually, it's got my front porch on it.